I just want to move this place fast. I'll do whatever we have to do.
Well, that's good to know. You do realize that you're going to have to disclose the fact that your wife killed herself in the house.
I am?
Oh, yeah. Legal crap. And people get really freaked out by suicide. You can't blame them. Hell, I get that Willie's just standing here.
Is there any way to get around it?
Off the record? You could say that she shot herself in the living room and then crawled out back to die. Well, I'm just saying. Oh, I gotta go. I'll call you tomorrow. And people get really freaked out by suicide. And people get really freaked out by suicide. I get that Willie's just standing here. I get that Willie's just standing here.
Is there any way to get around it?
Off the record?
Is there any way to get around it?
Off the record?